Previously on
Fuck out of here. Run.
Welcome back, guys, to the videos. Part 4 of Amnesia. Thank you for coming back. Today we'll uncover what's hidden beneath, deep into the mechanics room. We do not have the rods yet, but that's work in progress. We'll find them.
5th of July, 1839. Today, I went to the university looking for... As I was leaving,
Here we are. Okay, now we have some information. I'll lose my mind if I don't have light.
14th of July, 1839.
Okay, here we go.
July 1839. How has this escaped me?
What?
They're all dead. Limbs scattered, heads split down the middle, their skin flayed as if boiled. I feel like I'm falling into myself. What's happening? Sir William Smith, Professor Taylor, now Dr. Tate. Is it following me? How can it not be? It's the damn thing I brought from Africa. Something is after me. I have no choice but to trust the Baron. He better know what he claims. If he is wrong, I suspect he'll regret it.
Uh-oh. Does this go here? Okay. You look for them, more of them wheels. There we go. Uh-oh. I ran out of light. This is not good. I might go crazy a little bit. Just because I can't really see. out of here. Ready? No need to add more coal? You sure?
What?
Alright, here we go. Okay, now. What do you mean? What's wrong? What's wrong with it now? Huh? More word? What kind of word? Hello? What kind of work do you need? Huh. Don't mind if I do. I need some kind of rods. Flow. Where do we keep those? That's gross. Get out of here. What? What's this? Now, so I have to go to the study room. Let's make sure to only discard one which were already damaged. Keep others in the inner study rooms. Well, to the study room we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Okay, back to the study room we go. Hopefully nothing comes out. Dead body's still there. Study room. It has to be here. It's still hunting me down. Oh. Okay, so it has to be somewhere in here. I had it already? Man. What am I doing with my life? SMH. Back to the underground. SMH. Oh, okay. Okay. We're leaving the machine room. We're going back to the hall. We are heading down into the storage room to collect. Yes. Okay, here we go. See, I don't. Is this coming out of the this one whole body part, or like? It's creepy. For sure. For sure. Alright. Here we go. No regrets. You know, our strength. I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. Boom. Okay, we're back. Now, I'm glad I lit this place well, because there's no way I would have come back here. Like, I mean, I would have had to. There's, like, I have no other choice but to come here and look for it, but, like, it's not like I could leave. It'd be awesome if I could leave, but... Okay, so... Oh my gosh. It won't budge. What if I just... Bam. Nothing. What if it's in there? I hope the monster isn't in there, but like, I hope. I need to look for... them rods. Hey yo, I need to get out of this darkness. Alright, let me just light this up. Okay, I have 6 of them. That's perfect. Yo. Who's crying? What? Oh. That didn't work. Please. Nothing. Alright, so we'll look around. Oh my gosh, stop crying, please. I don't like that sound. That's creepy. Alrighty. So, we're looking for rods. No. Stay open. I know I have to get out of here. This is sketch. I'm looking for rods. I know okay. This man just told me to get out of here. So, to respect their wishes, I will do so as soon. What's this do? Rusted shot, huh? It's not in the study. What about that other room? What if it's in there where the body is? Which I refuse to go to because obviously you don't want to go somewhere where there's a body. You're gonna die. Stop crying. Nothing. What is going on? Nothing. Nothing. Are you serious? Nothing. Gotta get right there. Okay. It's not here. Nothing. Okay. Well, that was a major L. I don't really have light anymore and I'm scared. So...
Weren't you there already?
Yeah, but I couldn't find... Okay, so look. Primary. This is primary liquid. Or for the explosive mixture. Because I need to get in the... What do I do? What do I do with this?
Smart. That's oil. Oh no.
Okay. Now. What do I do with this? We need to keep this separated. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea, but fuck, we're good. Okay, I have an explosive. Oh, fuck. Oh my god! What did I see? What did I see? Oh, here we go. With no... Here, actually. Oh, this feels so much better now. You guys ready for the explosive? You guys ready for explosives? Boom.
There's no explosive.
I asked because my aiming was really bad. Okay. Okay. Duh. That was... Okay. Hold up. We need a... Boom. Oh! Okay. Let's go. Oh, this is not cool. I can't see anything. Oh, there's blood here. And there's a room here.
Why are you doing this? Get away from me!
I don't like how this looks. I have no oil. I have no oil. I'm out of oil. Okay.
That's why I love soccer.
This is it. R.I.P. boys. Is somebody hung over there? Oh, I'm out. I'm out of plugs.
What the funny ass tattoo? You get it?
Okay, but there's light right here. Oh, shoot. I should walk around and check it out. Dude, I can't see shit. Oh! There's pigs. I'm going crazy. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? You see those pigs in that room?
Hey, where are the pigs? Oh.
You're right there.
Okay, there's no goods in here. Nothing. Okay, there's another room right here. Okay. Okay. Yo, guys, this is stressful. There's a monster. There's a monster. Okay. Okay. Where do I go? Where do I go? There's a monster.
Answer first.
Okay. There you go. I have no. Oh, shit!
It's just
Don't do this to me. Oh! My heart. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 That helped me a lot, actually. I can see now. Okay. I think it wants me to come down here. Oh, look. If all said of this. You hear that?
Why'd you pick a
You guys hear that? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to make a run for it. Alright? It's right there. Fuck. Run, bitch! Run! 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 Oh! It's coming for me! It's gonna eat me! It wants to eat me!
You're still dirty.
I know, but like it.
Fuck it. Run.
I did.
There's two! There's two!
That's a mommy.
Let's get the fuck in here! Run! 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 Oh shit! Oh! Ah! It's dragging out! Let's go! Oh, I licked my I felt it breathe on my neck. Well, it looks like I'm gonna stop it right there. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Now it's time for you to go to sleep or something. Please, please don't hesitate to come back to my channel. This was Bird Candy. Till next time, peace out. Ah!